If you're choosing between CalyxOS, GrapheneOS, and LineageOS, this isn't just ROM versus ROM. It's privacy versus security versus flexibility. So, which one is actually legit? Let's break it down. CalyxOS sits in the middle. It's privacy-focused but more user-friendly, with built-in tools like microG for Google compatibility and easier setup overall. It gives you a balance between usability and privacy, though it doesn't have the same level of deep security hardening as GrapheneOS. GrapheneOS is the most security-focused of the three. It hardened at the system level with advanced protections like sandboxing and exploit mitigation, and it minimizes data exposure by default. It also lets you run Google services in a sandbox if needed, but it's very locked down and mainly supports Pixel devices. LineageOS is the most flexible. It supports a huge range of devices and gives you full control over customization. But privacy depends on how you configure it. Out of the box, it's not as hardened, and many users add Google Apps back in, so the real difference is this. GrapheneOS is security first. CalyxOS is balance and usability, and LineageOS is flexibility and customization. So which one is better? Choose GrapheneOS if you want maximum privacy and security with minimal trust in apps. Choose CalyxOS if you want strong privacy with better usability and fewer headaches. Choose LineageOS if you want full control and broad device support. Bottom line, all three are legit, but GrapheneOS is the strongest for security. CalyxOS is the best balance, and LineageOS is the most flexible depending on how you set it up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.